morning, everybody. Welcome back to Merle Farms. So today we're baling. Me and my brother both got new balers this year. Ordered them back in October, so hey, come on. The planter is down at the moment. The fan's not coming on, and it's telling everything else that it's not planting. So I decided to come get on the baler because my brother's been baling while I've been planting. So I decided to come get on the baler today, so that way I could get some baling done. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. So I've already made a couple, so I'm gonna just come over here and probe it and see what the moisture's at. You just really pick anywhere you want. And his probe's not working, is it? There it goes. 12 right there. Come on, buddy. So it's between 10 and 12%, so that should be good. So go ahead and get this all baled up and get done with it, hopefully. This is our last bit of custom work for other people. We've already done ours, so it's our last bit, so we're kind of taking our time on it. Seeing if anybody else will call. If they don't, we got plenty of cane we're gonna have to bale this year. Yeah, we'll see how she goes. Well, we got done baling. It got a little too dry for us, what we'd like to do it at. Storms are coming in this afternoon. The moisture should go up right before those storms hit, so I'm gonna go back out there and see how much I can get done before those storms hit. But I came up here to my pivot. Haven't been here for a couple of days, and we're gonna see how it is. Gotta walk out here to where it was actually water and see if any are coming up. It's been about a week or so. So I should start seeing some start popping up. There's one. I don't know. If I can keep water going on it, it'll be working pretty good. If I can't keep water on it, I don't think it's gonna make. If we stay in the drought we're in right now, it's definitely not gonna make what it should. Usually this place, it averages around 3 bale cotton a year. Sometimes a little more than that, sometimes a little less, but this year it's looking more like a 2 bale. Well, wheat's looking better. It's starting to look a lot better. Sprinklers going on the wheat. Give the wheat a little drink. Then it's going to go over into the cane. Give the cane a little drink. Hopefully we do get the rain that they're talking about. One place will get water, and that'll kind of catch me up for the moment. Cane's not looking too bad. It's not looking too great either, so we need some rain. Hopefully we can get some rain tonight, but I don't know. As you can see, so this is dry land and it's still dry, very dry. I honestly don't know if I can even find a seed in all this. Let's see. There's the seed. And I mean, I'm telling you, it's hard ground. If we don't get rain fast, it's not looking too pretty. Good thing is, it's been about 70, the high is 70 degrees the past week, and I haven't had to turn the pivot off for 2 weeks. Usually I got to turn it off to let it fill up with water, but I guess since it's been so, it hasn't been near as hot, I haven't had to fill it up. So that's always a good thing. Still looks like it's going pretty good. There's a lot of people around us that don't have wheat this year, so I should be able to get a good price. I think I'm gonna keep it off for seed and then sell the seed, because everybody's gonna need wheat seed next year. And this is 100% beardless wheat seed, so. As you can see, it's coming up and dying already. A little bit, because the wheat's already gonna make what it's gonna make. It might make a little bit more, but I'm happy where the wheat's at, so I might as well just bump her up a little bit. Let me do it right now. See, right now it shows 12%, and I'm gonna bump it up to 15%. And there she goes. So now it's gonna be moving a lot faster. It'll get to this cane a little bit faster, and I'm gonna keep it on the cane at that same percentage, so to do a windshield wipe pretty fast. I think that's how I'm gonna have to run the pivot this year, is instead of 12% putting an inch on it, put 3/4 of an inch on it, and be able to cover more ground that way. If we don't end up getting rain today. They're calling for some rain, but we'll see. I mean, it sure is cloudy and only 60 degrees outside, so maybe we will, maybe we won't. Only time will tell. But anyway, so now I'm headed to go check my cows, and then see what I can get into this afternoon. The dealership's supposed to be coming to work on the planter today. Hopefully they can get it running. Probably not the way it sounds. It sounds like they don't have the part I need, so they're gonna come and make for certain it's the part I need. If they don't have that part, I might be taking a road trip down to probably Dallas is where it was at, I think. And they said it was gonna take them 3 days to get it, and I can make a suicide trip and go get it in a day. Dallas is to the place where it's at, it's about a 7-hour drive, so I'll be driving 14 hours to go get that part and come back, but I'll take somebody with me and we'll get her done. I don't think it'll be too bad, but we'll see. We will see. So I'm here at another one of our farms. It's all 4-mile pivot, and this cotton was planted all, let's say, a week or so before mine up there up north, and this one's down south. This one actually had got pre-watered quite a bit, and the water was able to get to this pretty fast. Up north, I pre-watered, put 3 inches on it, turned around and planted it, and then, yeah, it took me about 4 days to get water on it. This one's coming up pretty good, all through there. You see it's shedding that seed right there. Right now the sprinkler's on the cane, and we're gonna make it water the wheat and then come back around and water this cotton. They changed the forecast for today. They changed the forecast for today, and now they're calling for about 3.5 to 4 inches. So, and it's looking pretty promising. That's by no means gonna get us out of the drought. We need about 70 inches to get us out of this drought. A couple years ago, back in 2011, we were going through the same stuff, and back in 2011, we were going through the same kind of drought, and this year's actually tending to be worse than it was in 2011. Come on. Come on. It's actually trending to be a little worse than what it was in 2011, and we are drier than what we started back in 2011, and that was probably the worst year for farmers. So let's hope it doesn't get that bad. So now I'm gonna change the barriers on that sprinkler just like I did on my phone earlier, because this one I can do it all on my phone. And I'm gonna go back and see if we can get back to baling. Hopefully we can. We should be able to anyway. But we'll find out here shortly. Well, back on the baling tractor. Gonna see if this will go. It's making okay. It's not making great, but it's making better than nothing. Wasn't gonna make much grain, so he decided to start baling it, so here we are. So this is a 2022 New Holland. I believe it's a 560. I think so. Round baler. Doing pretty good, not too bad. It'll bale some hay, that's for sure. Better than my old one. And then it's paired up to a, I believe it's a 95? 7240. Story behind this tractor is, the old guy, oh shit. The old guy, we saw it sitting there in his equipment lot one day. Didn't see it move there for a couple of hours, or a couple of days actually. We've always seen it there. It's been sitting there for months on months on months. And so we decided to go over there and ask him and if he'd want to sell this tractor or not. And he was like, yeah, for the right price. Well, long story short, I ended up buying it for 15. Put 5 into it. I got a whole new paint job. I redid this interior, kind of. New headliner, a couple stuff like that. Got it all redone nice and neat. Got this first bell made. Got yet another phone call. They're out there working on that planter, and they're having some problems. Let's see what that tests like. Ooh, that's dry. That's dry. I'd say it's a no bueno. Yeah. That's way too dry than what we want to run it. We want to run it when this shows 16%, so it doesn't make sense because the humidity's at 70, so we should be able to build this no problem, but it don't look like that's going to happen. But it's not leaving usually when it's too dry to leave like a pile right there and a pile right there. I guess it kind of is. I don't know. I do not know. Well, we did get the planter running. I finished this 140 acres and now I'm about to head back. Storm's coming. I don't know if you could see that, but it's coming. It's starting to sprinkle now. The storm that's about to hit us, it's already dropped a tornado, so, and it's capable of producing 3-inch hail is what it said. So yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one.